Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change your TikTok Lite account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in Open TikTok Lite application. At the home page of TikTok Lite, you can see Me icon on bottom of right corner. Tap on it. Tap in Sign Up. Here, you need to tap in Already have an account, log in. Tap in Use phone, email or username. First, you need to get logged into your account. So, go for providing your email address or username and password. Tap in Login. At the top of right corner, you can see 3 dots. Tap in it. Now tap in Manage Account under Account section. Tap in Password. To set your password, first of all you need to provide a 6-digit code that has been sent to your mail address. Now go to your mailbox and checking for the mail sent by the TikTok Lite. You can see a mail from TikTok. Tap in Open it. Copy the verification code. Go back to your TikTok page. Copy the code over here. Change password. Now you can change your password that must contain at least 8 to 20 characters with special letters, numbers and characters. Tap in Next. Your password has been changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your TikTok Lite account password. Thank you.